Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about a very important aspect while we are dealing with matrices or vectors, specifically in MATLAB environment. So, what is this concept? This concept is element-wise multiplication or dot product in MATLAB, right? Here, what I'm trying to do in this concept, I'm trying to answer the question: what is difference or how it is different from normal matrix multiplication. And for that purpose, I have actually considered two different matrices. For example, let's say the first matrix is A, which is basically a 2 cross 2 matrix. One can easily see that, right? That means it has a 2 rows and 2 columns. And another matrix I have considered it is basically a 2 cross 3 matrix, right? So because it has 3 columns and 2 rows, right? And for multiplication of simple matrix, the rule must be like that: the column of first matrix must match with the rows of the second matrix. That means in this specific example, it is being matched. So in this way, we can say that A cross B is possible, or the multiplication between A cross B is possible, right? One more thing which is interesting about it, that the output matrix will have a rank of 2 cross 3, the remaining items. That means we will have a matrix of 2 cross 3, and that is what we discussed is just normal multiplication. But let's talk about the element wise multiplication or the dot product, which is usually very much useful in case of vectors and when we are dealing with communication signals or dealing with signals, right? So normally we deal them as a vector. So here I've considered a vector x is equal to 1 to 3. And it is a row vector. We know that it has only one row, so it's a vector. And similarly, we have considered another vector, which is basically y 1 4 5 as an element, right? And furthermore, it is also a row vector. And so if you are going to apply the same logic, it won't work here because it is 1 cross 2 and 1 cross 3. That means it is basically having one column and one row and 3 columns. And this is also true for this y matrix as well. So if you are going to apply the simple matrix multiplication rule, it won't work. Rather, in vectors, what you do, you multiply them by element, right? That means this 1 will get multiplied this with 1, and this 2 will get multiplication with 4, and 3 will get multiplication with 5. That means 1 into 1 will become 1, 2 into 4 it would become 8, and similarly 3 into 5 would become 15. So again, we will have a vector which will have the same rank, which is 1 cross 3, and that is called dot product as well, or the dot product between the two vectors. Because in dot product, we usually simply multiply the corresponding entities of a vector or corresponding component of the vector. So when I'm gonna run some codes in MATLAB, how I'm gonna do it. So for that purpose, I've already created some matrices here. For example, I can show you A is created here. I've already done it for you. So 1 2 3 4, it is done. Similarly, B is created here. So if you see 1 2 3 4 4 5 6, and I can simply multiply these two matrices by using A cross B. You can see that the result is over here. This is what we predicted earlier, right? If you notice that what actually I predicted, and this is the same is being true, right? So let's consider those vectors and how you deal it. Let's first of all clear it. Yeah. So first vector, I've already made it. It's basically what? X. So 1 2 3. The next vectors is basically y, and this is what? Okay, this is y and press enter. Yeah, 1 4 5. Okay, so X is indicated here, and you can see that I hope this is X and this is Y. And when I'm going to write how I'm going to perform, this is called the vector multiplication or the dot product multiplication. How you do it? This is basically X dot static Y. You see this dot is basically indication of a dot product or element wise multiplication. So that means, because if you are going to write simply x dot y, x dot x star y, it is going to apply the normal matrix multiplication, and it says it is not possible. the minor dimensions must agree. That means these 2 and 2 things, these are basically what inner dimensions. So these matrix dimensions must agree. But if you are going to apply the x dot star y, that means basically you're talking about dot product or simple element wise multiplication, which is possible here. And if you see, it is the same result. So this is wonderful when you are applying, when you are taking a square of any signal, or when you are cubing any signal. That means you're going to apply multiply them 3 times, right? So that multiplication is only possible when you do it element wise, right? So I hope you have understand the concept of the element wise multiplication and how it is different from normal matrix multiplication. Still, if you have any query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.